जय हिंद एवरीवन। वसुदेवं सुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरु। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, कंस और चाणूर का वध करने वाले देवकी के आनंद वर्धन वसुदेव नंदन जगत गुरु श्री कृष्णचंद्र की मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Jai Gurudev children. In last session we had learned about HCF, that is highest common factor. Today we are going to learn about lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Lowest common multiple is also known as least common multiple, or you can say smallest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is lowest among the common multiples of given number. If 2 or 3 or 4 number is given, from that if we find out the common multiple, from that the lowest is there, that is the lowest common multiple. Now let us see with the help of example, let us find out the LCM of, let us say 45 and 60. When we find out the LCM of 45 and 60, we have to do it by prime factorization method. There are many methods to find out the LCM, that is by finding out the multiples also. But when we find out the multiple, it is very difficult to find out the multiple of 45 and multiple of 60 and then find it out. So we will do it by the prime factorization method. And the third is long division method. Let us do it by division method. We will write both the number here, 45 and 60. Now 45 and 60 both are not divisible by 2. 60 is divisible by 2, so we will take it by 2. It will be 45 will remain as it is not divisible by 2. It will remain as it is. 60 is divisible by 2, so we will write here 30. Again 30 is divisible by 2, so 45 will remain as it is and it will be 50. Now both the numbers are not divisible by 2, but both the numbers are divisible by 3. We will divide it by 3. It will be 15 and 5. Here again it is divisible. 15 is divisible by 3, so we will write it as 5. This 5 will remain as it is and come down. Now again they are not divisible by 3, they are divisible by 5. So 5, 1, 1. In division method we have to see that here if 2 number is there, 3 number is there or more number is there, we need to see that here it should be 1, 1. Then only we will find out the LCM. Now LCM of 45 and 60 is equal to, we have to multiply all these factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So LCM of 45 and 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So that will be 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36 and 36 5 is 180. So the LCM of 45 and 60 is 180. Let us do it once again. I am repeating it once again. First we need to take both these numbers. This is division method and we start division by 2. No problem if one is not divisible by 2, no problem. If another is divisible by 2, then also we have to divide it by 2. Here we will divide it by 2. 45 is not divisible by 2, so it will come as it is. 60 we will divide it and it will 30. Again 30 is divisible by 2, so we will divide it. 45 will come as it is. 30 will become, when we divide it by 2, it will become 15. Then if both the numbers are not divisible by 2, so we will move toward the next prime number, that is 3. 3, when we divide it, 45 and 15 both are divisible, so 15 3 is 45, 5 3 is 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3, so again we will divide it, so it will be 5. This 5 will come as it is here. Now both to place 5 is there, so it is divisible by 5, and here 1 and 1. Now while finding the LCM of two numbers, we have to multiply all these numbers. That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 180. Let us do one more example with three numbers. Let us take 20, 25 and 40. 20, 25 and 40. As we have done, we have to divide all these three numbers together. First we will begin from 2. 2 tens are 20. 25 is not divisible by 2, so that will come as it is. 25. 40 means 20 to the 40. Then again this 10 and 20 both are divisible by 2, so we have to divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. 25 will come as it is. Again here it is 10. 5 is not divisible, 25 is not divisible by 2, but 10 is divisible by 2, so 2 the 5, 25 and 5. Now, among these numbers, no one is divisible by 3, and so we will directly move toward 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 5 the, and 5 1 the 5. 5 is there, so 5 1 1 1. Now, LCM of 20, 25 and 40. 20, 25 and 40. So LCM of 20, 25 and 40, as we had done in earlier, we have to multiply all these factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40 5s are 200. So the LCM of 20, 25 and 40 is 200. Likewise, we can do all the examples and all the sums. Now let us begin exercise 3.7. In exercise 3.7, we are going to solve the problems related to SCM and LCM. See, the question number 1 is, Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weight 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of time. Now here it is given that a girl Renu had purchased 2 bags of weight given 75 kg and 69 kg. 75 kg and 69 kg. Now we have to find out the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time. Now whenever there is a maximum, greatest like this, we always have to find out HCF, highest common factor. So the maximum value of weight is equal to value of weight is equal to HCF of 75 and 69. So we have to find out the HCF of 75 and 69 to find out the maximum value of weight which can measure both the weight. So we find out the HCF of 75 and 69. 75 3 the 25 5 1 the 5. The same way 69 is not divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3. 2 the 23 is again prime number. This. So 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5 and 69 is equal to 3 into 23. So the HCF, therefore HCF of 75 and 69 is equal to, here the common is just 3 only, so is equal to 3. So the maximum value of weight, we can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of time is 3 kg. Same way, let us see the question number 2. 3 boys step up together from same sport. 3 boys step up together. Their stream measures 63 cm, 70 cm and 77 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that they can cover the distance in complete step? Here we have to find out the minimum distance. As we had done here maximum value, whenever there is a maximum or greatest, we always have to find out HCF. In the same way, whenever there is a minimum or smallest or least, we always have to find out LCM. So here it is given that the 3 boys have steps together 63 centimeters, 70 centimeters and 77 centimeters, and we have to find out the minimum distance each should cover. So to find out minimum distance each should cover is equal to LCM of 63, 70 and 77. 63, 70 and 77. So let us find out the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. Now 70 is divisible by 2. This 63 will as it is. 73 will be 35. It will be 75. Now no number is divisible by 2. 63 is divisible by 3. It will be 21. This will remain as it is, as it comes. Again this 21 is divisible by 3. It will become 7. 35. 77. Now no number is divisible by 3. 35 is divisible by 5, so it will be 5. 7 will come as it is, 7, and here it will be 77. Now again no number is divisible by 5, so it will be 7 say 1, 11, and 11 is 1 and 1. So the LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. So the LCM of 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 the 6. 2 3 the 6, 6 3 the 18, 18 5 the 90, 90 into 7 is equal to 630, 630. 630 into 11 is 0396. So the LCM of 6930. So minimum distance each should be covered is equal to 6970 centimeter. Each should have to cover 6970 centimeter. Now question number 3 is same as we had done here. Here you have to find out the longest means highest common factor. Let us see question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Here we have to find out the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. As I told you, it is smallest here, so we need to first find out the LCM of smallest 3-digit number is equal to LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So let us find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. All are divisible by 2. It will be 3, 4 and 6. Again 2, 3, 2, 3. Again it is divisible by. All are divisible by 3, 1, 3. Again it is 3, 1, 1 and 1. Now first, as I told, we have to find out LCM of 6, 8 and 12, which will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. Here we got the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 24. Now we have to find out the smallest 3-digit number, means we have to find out the multiples of 24 till it will be 3-digit number. So the multiples of 24 are we need to find out till 3-digit, because we have to find out smallest 3-digit number. Then multiple of 24, 24, it is 2-digit number. Then 48, it is again 2-digit number. 72, it is again 2-digit number. Then it will be 96, it is again 2-digit number. Then it will be 120. Now this 120 is the 3-digit number and it is smallest among all the multiples of 24. So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which divide all these 6, 8 and 12. So the smallest 3-digit number which can be exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is 120. Now let us see question number 6. As question number 5 is determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 12, 10 and 12. Same you have to do like this here, as it is here greatest, so you have to find out the SCM. Question number 6 is the traffic light at 3 different roads crossing change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time they will change simultaneously again? It is given that this traffic light signals traffic light signal changes after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108. Now we have to find out, it is also given that they change simultaneously at together they change at 7 am. Now we have to see that at what time again it changed. So first we need to find out that how much time it will take to combine, when again they combine. So for that, first we need to find out LCM of 48, 72 and 108. LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Let us find out LCM of 2 the 24, 36, 54, again 2 the 12, 18, 27, again 2 the 6, 9, 27, again 2 the 3, 9, 27, again 3 the 1, 3, 9, 3 the 1, 1, 3, 3 the 1, 1, 1. So the LCM of 48, 72 and 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which will be equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 8 to the 16, 16 3 the 48, 48 3 the 48 into 3, 144, again 144 into 3, it will be 432. Here it is 432 seconds. It means that this traffic light will again simultaneously comes after 432 seconds. Now we need to convert this 432 seconds into minutes. 432 seconds, when we convert it into the minute, it will become 432 divided by 60, 67 the 420, which will be equal to 7 minutes and 12 seconds. 432 seconds is equal to 7 minutes and 12 seconds, means all this light will again come together after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, and it is given that it simultaneously at 7 am, then what again time? So again next time when they come together, that will be 7 am plus 7 minutes 12 seconds. So that it will be again together at 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So it will be again together at 7 am, 7 minutes and 12 seconds simultaneously. This you can write as 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 a.m. means 7 minutes 12 seconds after 7 a.m. means 7 a.m. 7 minutes and 12 seconds after that they will continuously simultaneously light together. Now question number 8 is find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. Now here we have to find out the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 it will give remainder 5 in each case. First we need to find out LCM of 6, 15 and 18. LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 it is 6, 15 and 18. 2 the 3, 15, 9 divisible by 3 then it will be 1, 5, 3 again divisible by 3, 1, 5 as it is 1, 5 then it will be 1, 1 and 1. So therefore LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 5 is 90. So the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 90. But we have to find out that the smallest number which when divided by this leaves remainder as a 5. So here in 90 is the smallest number which when divided by this number then it will be remainder is 0. So if we want to get remainder as a 5 we need to add 5 in this. So required number is equal to 90 plus 5. 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. So we can say that 95 is the smallest number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 it always gives remainder as 5. Question number 9 is find the smallest 4-digit number divisible by this and this and this. This is the same as we had done earlier. Let us do question number 10. Find the LCM of the following number. The first one is 9 and 4. We have to find out the LCM of 9 and 4. LCM of 9 and 4. Then 2 the LCM of 9 and 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 to the 4, 3 the 12, 3 the 36. So the LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. Now the second question here is observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Each LCM is the product of two numbers of in each case. Here we have done that. LCM is 36, the product of two numbers, that is 9 into 4 is also 36. So yes, here it is the product of the two numbers. Let us do in one more number, that is C, 6 and 5. LCM of 6 and 5. 6, 5, 2 the 3. 5, 3 is 1, 5, 5 to 1, 1. LCM of 6 and 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 are 6 into 5 is equal to 30. So again here also, if we see the two number, it will be 6 5 are 30 and LCM is also 30. So the LCM is the product of two number in each case. Let us do question number 11. Find the LCM of the following number in which one of the number is factor of other. Here one of the number is factor of other, means 5 is factor of 20. Now we have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. LCM of 5 and 20. So 5, 20. 2 the 5 will as it is 10, again 2 the 5 as it is 5, 5 the 1, therefore LCM of 5 and 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, which will be equal to 2 to the 4, 5 the 20. So LCM of 2, 5 and 20 is 20. Again here also the question is, what do you observe in result obtained? Result obtained is, that is 20. The LCM of 5 and 20 is 20. 20 is the number here also. It means that when we are finding the LCM of factors, one of the number and its factor, the LCM is always that number. Let us try to understand it with another example, that is C, 12 and 48. Here 12 is factor of 48. We have to find out. And 48, both are divisible by 2, 6 and 24. Again both are divisible by 2, 3 and 12. Again both are divisible by 2, 3 and 6, 2. So 3 and 3, 3 and 1 and 1. So the LCM of 12 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 and 16 3 the 48. So again here also we see that when one of the number is factor of the number, and if we find out the LCM is always that number. Thank you. The homework is, you have to do exercise 3.7, the remaining sum of exercise 3.7 in your notebook, and what have we discussed in your notebook. Thank you.